Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. The environmental file, and this is a culture of animals. In environmental or the culture activity, we teach a child about the care, the environmental care and how it happens. Just not only the cards and things required for this purpose, but some practical activities as well. A teacher can guide a child about the home and the space of animal, the care for plants, the animals, one by one, anywhere. Yes, if we have a home, the animals have their home. Care for environment is a basic element of EPL activity. Care for plants and care for animals. Thank you so much.